I'll turn the music off. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am headed to work out right now. It's gonna be a weekly vlog. I've had some requests to do some, so I am delivering and I am doing some for you guys. It is Monday morning at like 8:15 and I have a big week ahead of me, so let's go ahead and get started. You ready? Let's go downstairs. You ready? Come on, let's go. Get up. Come on, let's go. Come on, go pee. Good boy. You going pee pee?
You getting ready to leave now?
Yeah.
Alright. See you when you get home.
Alright, love you. Let's go inside. Good boy. Alright, I am running out the door because I wanted to leave at 8 o'clock and it's like 8:12 because I have an appointment at 11 and I need to wash my hair. So, gonna be a very quick workout. I just need to do some cardio. That's literally all I'm doing today. I'm just doing some cardio on the treadmill, some hits, some sprints. I forgot my sunglasses at home, so it's so hard to drive because it's so bright outside and my eyes are so sensitive because I have contacts. Alright, so now that I worked out, which I finally got up and did it, I'm so proud of myself. I'm gonna grab Starbucks and then go home, wash my hair, and then head to my appointment. Alright, I'm home and I have secured my oatmeal and my coconut milk coffee. Today's going great so far. Okay, so the cutest thing, if you get the blueberry oatmeal, they give you like fresh blueberries and agave syrup because sometimes the oatmeal is like not too sweet. I always put the fruit, nut, and seed medley in there too. And then you have another agave syrup, your spoon, and your amazing oatmeal. Wow, look at this masterpiece. It's so pretty. I'm so excited to eat now. Boom. Okay, it's been a bit since I talked to you guys last. I have showered, I dried my hair, and I am headed, whoops, will that focus? And now I am headed to my appointment. I have to go to the orthodontist because I have this one tooth. This tooth right here is longer than this one. But yeah, my outfit is Free People shirt, athletic leggings, black Timberland boots, and my necklace is from Fraser Sterling Jewelry. It's like a necklace that has Bella on it with diamonds. It's so pretty. And then I'm going to throw my IMG jacket over this outfit like I do with everything. So I ordered some like fake designer from Amazon and one of the items came today. Like they're coming like very sporadically, like they're not all coming at once. First thing I ordered was an Hermes bracelet. I don't know why it came in this huge bag. Like that's just so unnecessary. An unboxing in silver and white. It's the Hermes, like the H bracelet, the buckle. This is so pretty. It even comes in an orange box for Hermes. That's funny. All right, here's what it looks like. That is really nice. Kind of looks like it literally looks like the exact thing. And on the inside it says Hermes made in France. Wow. That's crazy. Okay, so we're leaving the orthodontist. Aww. So at first they told me I needed like a retainer to wear during the day and it has like a metal bar. And Invisalign. And Invisalign, like I could do either. And I was like, I'm not doing either of those because I had braces for 2 years. And then she just had to file it down. Like, I'm so glad I didn't go through with getting the other because there was no way on God's earth that I am getting a bar across my teeth and I have to wear it full time. So all she did was file it down and now it's straight. Now they're even, which is exactly what I wanted. All right, I'm back from my appointment. I have my sushi in here and my salad in here. I'm gonna eat and do some school and I will talk to you guys later. All right guys, so it has been a few hours since I talked to you guys. It is actually 7 o'clock at night. I had to take my car to the dealership and drop it off. And then I've just been running errands with my mom. But I'm home now and I got two PR packages in the mail. So I thought I would open them on camera. I am so excited to open these packages. So the first package is from Diff Eyewear. It's a charity program for glasses. So for every pair of shades sold, they donate one pair of reading glasses to a person in need. And I love when brands, oh, I think you're crooked. I love when brands not only sell their products, but they give back. It means a lot. I don't know. I really appreciate that. Oh my gosh, they sent me 2 pair. Here's what it looks like, the outside of the packaging. Let's make a difference. I really love that. That's so sweet. All right, so a little bit about Diff Eyewear. It says that we strive to make quality designer sunglasses at a fair price point that not only make you look good, but help you do good as well. With every pair for your purchase, Diff gives a pair of reading glasses to those in need. From local charitable initiatives in our home base of Los Angeles, California, to far-reaching projects like our pouch program, you are the reason we continue to make a difference. And that seriously is amazing. I really love that. I'm already loving Diff Eyewear, but these, I haven't even tried their glasses, but I'm already loving Diff Eyewear for what they stand for. It's amazing. All right, so these are the first pair we're gonna open, and these are called Harper Amethyst Glitter Frame Silver Flash Lens. Oh my gosh, I feel like I own nothing like these. So here's what the case looks like. By the way, this is not sponsored. It's just a PR package they sent me, and I am so excited. Oh my god, it says let's make a difference. Oh. You guys, purple is my favorite color. I have purple ow, I just hit my face. I'm so excited. I literally have purple everything. What the heck? Oh my gosh. I am about to, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I feel so cute. And I don't feel like bad about wearing cute sunglasses because I just like, well, I didn't because they sent these to me, but they just like gave back to somebody. Guys, they are literally glitter. Like, they are literally glitter. Oh my gosh. This is not fake, y'all. Y'all know I'm real, as real could ever be. Okay, this next pair is called the Nova Champagne. Ooh, this sounds cool. I'm so scared because I don't know what they look like. I can't speak. I am genuinely in shock right now. I am so thankful, you guys. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm just fully out here living. You guys see you're on literally a tin can. I'm out here living my best life in these sunglasses. Oh my gosh, and they have the tortoise like leopard over here, and there's like a hexagon shape, and I love how this is like squared right here. Yes, hunty. We are here to play, and we're not playing. I am pleased to say both of the pairs they sent me are sunglasses I'm obsessed with. I'm definitely gonna be wearing these all the time now, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and place an order because your girl is loving this right now. I love what they stand for. I love the quality of the sunglasses. And another thing I appreciate are how different their sunglasses are, but not only that, the cases have that little nose guard, so your I know you guys can't see it, but so your glasses are separated and they don't get like all jumbled and stuff, and obviously they come with a little cleansing cloth. Anyways, Diff, thank you guys so much for sending this over. I am truly like in shock right now. I can't even speak, and I just never thought I would get to a point where brands would be so generous and send me stuff. Like, truly, I thank God every day for where I am right now, and I'm thankful because I could not do any of this without you guys. I'm getting way too emotional right now. And the next PR package we have is from Bad Habit Beauty, which is one of my favorite brands right now, affordable brands. I think this is what the package is. They are just new lashes that I was sent from Bad Habit's PR team, which is so sweet. Yep, I was right. Who doesn't want a box full of lashes? Like, this is amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, so they sent me a ton of lashes. The first pair are called Leather, which look like my style of lashes, and they are all cruelty free, which is amazing. Next style they sent me are called Lace, which are very, very natural, like almost nothing, but these are for people who want to start with a little something and kind of amp it up, you know. Next pair are a little bit wispier. They're called Satin. They're definitely wispier, like I just said. Next up we have Suede, which totally looks right up my alley. Natural, but has length, and they look really nice and curled as well. So next up we have Chiffon, which are definitely longer and bigger and more full and very dramatic. We also have Velvet, which are super duper long, very wispy. They might be a little too long for me, but they're absolutely gorgeous, and the band looks really nice on these. I mean, I obviously haven't worn them yet, but the band looks really nice and thin. Next up we have Silk, which is more of your straight lash, but they are still curly and very natural and subtle. Next up we have Cashmere, which is more full and just very long and flirty. And then we have Organza, which is another simple, short, but still very curly lash. So yeah, this is their whole lash collection from Bad Habit Beauty. Thank you guys so much for sending these over to me. I really appreciate it so much. I am blessed over the moon, and I definitely think that these right here, which are called Leather, are gonna be my favorite. They look like Bella lashes. Anyways, thank you to the 2 brands that sent me stuff. I really appreciate it, and I don't know, I'm thankful. I'm very, very thankful, and I'm just speechless.